VMware Workstation Player Review. VMware Workstation Player, otherwise known as VMware Player, is a tool that allows users to run an additional operating system on their computer. VM Workstation Player is the main function of virtualization. It allows users to build virtual machines on Windows and Linux computers. The virtual machine acts like a separate computing device, with its own CPU, memory, network interface, and storage. The hypervisor isolates the virtual machine's resources from your computer hardware for effective usage. To use a virtual machine, your host system should be able to meet the minimum requirements of 400 MHz processing speed, 128 MB memory, and 1 GB free disk space. Most modern PCs are able to meet these criteria. VMware Player permits the use of a single virtual machine at a time. If you wish to run multiple virtual machines concurrently, you must pay for the Workstation Pro license. This tool enables you to manage your virtual machines in various ways. For example, you can alter the memory assigned to each virtual machine. Additionally, you can link and detach any preset devices in a virtual machine. Moreover, you can duplicate and transfer files from a virtual machine to the host or vice versa. Virtual machines can be used in several scenarios. If there is uncertainty regarding the adoption of an operating system, it can be tested within a virtual machine to assess its suitability. It is possible to utilize virtual machines to create software for different platforms. For example, if you are working on a Mac with macOS but need to design software for Windows, you can set up a Windows-based virtual machine on your Mac computer. VMware Workstation Player offers a free version for personal use, but a license needs to be purchased if it is used in commercial settings such as a school or business. VMware Player is a software that enables organizations to supply a corporate desktop image to their employees which they can access from any location, making remote work easier. Schools are also able to utilize VMware Player as a virtual sandbox for students participating in educational activities. The free VMware Workstation Player is limited compared to the paid Workstation Pro version, as it cannot support running multiple virtual machines at once, taking a snapshot of the machine, or password protect and encryption virtual machines. In contrast, these features are available in the Workstation Pro version. Workstation Player is not available for Mac computers. However, VMware provides an alternative in Fusion that allows macOS-equipped PCs to run Windows or Linux virtual machines. There were numerous customer complaints about the difficulty of setting up and configuring the software on a new PC. Yet user-friendliness was frequently mentioned as an advantage in customer reviews once setup was completed. VMware offers upgrades and technical assistance which can be accessed for an additional fee. If needed, you can contact the company's customer service team through live chat, telephone, or email. The VMware Workstation Player allows users to create VMs at no cost for personal use. Although the setup process is complex and macOS is not supported,